Here I have my swim skirt. This has two pockets. Take a look, they're nice pockets. You could actually put your phone in here, you could put your keys. This is perfect to taking on the go, swimming, a beach day, anything like that. It is expandable, it does stretch out. This is in a size extra large for reference. It is nice, it's not too tight, it's actually very, very loose fitting. Also, not only is it a skirt, but it actually has the bottom piece to the bathing suit on the bottom. So it's not just a skirt, it actually has the swimsuit bottoms on underneath. So really, really nice. Very, very lightweight. It is fast absorbing, so if you do take it swimming, once you get out, it will dry out quickly. Very, very nice. Again, this is in a size place your phones, lip gloss, keys. As you can see, very, very nice. It does have two pockets on this side. But overall, I would definitely recommend if you're looking for a nice lightweight skirt to take swimming for the summer, then I would definitely recommend. Here, I'm just giving you a close-up on what that skirt looks like. It is actually high-waisted. As you can see, it does have a high seamed waist. The great thing also is that there are a variety of color options available. So if black is not your color, there are other options available, very colorful and fun options. Here is another close-up of that high-waisted seam. Take a look, and then the closer look on the pockets. I did like these. These are my favorite features, especially on a skirt. This is always necessary.